Welcome back, students. In this class we start a new chapter, that is chapter 12, Exponents and Powers. So we'll see what is the definition of exponents and powers. So I'll give an example and explain. And powers. So this is the way, or the shortest way to represent a large number. That's all. So or exponents and powers, I'll continue here, or ways to represent or ways to represent large or big numbers, comma small numbers, large numbers, small numbers, in a simplified form. So for example, I'll just take example. So 2 multiplied by 5 times I'll take. This can be represented as 2 to the power of 5. That is 2 5 times. So this is called base. And this is called an exponent or also power. So this can be 2 power 5. So or 2 times 5. So this is called base and this is called exponent or power. So this is the meaning of the exponent and power. So what is this? Means exponents and powers are the ways to represent the large number or the small number in a simplified form. When instead of writing this like this, we can directly write 2 power 5, where 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent or power. So this one in another example. This one is example 1, 2, 1 power 3. That is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 power 3. So this is base, this is exponent or power. So we'll now move on to the exercise problem. That is the first problem in the exercise. They have given evaluate 3 power minus 2. They have given. So this can be written as 3 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by, when this comes to the denominator 3, this minus becomes plus. So this one, if we make this is in the numerator, now it becomes denominator, then 2 minus 2 will become plus 2. So what is 3 square now? 3 square is 9. So this is how to solve. Whenever this power comes down, means it will become plus. See. So now we move to the next one. Next problem is minus 4 to the power of minus 2. So this can be written as, first what we'll do, we'll take the power down. So take the power down means 4 comes down. So minus 4 remains as it is. This minus 2 becomes plus 2 here. Power changes its sign. Therefore this is 1. Then this one is 4 square. So anything now minus 1, if we square it will become 1. Only minus 1 to the power of cube will always become minus 1 only. Similarly, like this, minus 4 to the power of square will be 16. Now this one, if we take minus 4 to cube, will become always, this will be minus 4 cube only. So this is how to, whenever the power is even, then we'll get the plus sign. whenever the power is odd, then the minus remains as it is. So now here square this number. When it is square, therefore this minus doesn't matter. We'll get 1 by 16. So this is the second problem. So now we move on to the third one. Third one is, that is 1 by 2 to the power of minus 5. Therefore now what we do, 1 by, take this whole 1 by 2 to the denominator. These things, this one is numerator, this is denominator. To the power of minus 5 becomes plus 5 here, which is equal to 1 by, how much here, 1, this power comes inside the bracket, means 1 to the power of 5, then 2 to the power of 5. Now further simplifying, this will go to the numerator. Since this is 1 by 2 in the denominator, this goes to the numerator, 2 goes to the numerator. Then we can rewrite as 2 to the power of goes here, and 1 by 1 to the power of 5 remains as it is. So what is 2 to the power of 5? 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Then 1 to the power of remains as it is, 1. Therefore answer we are getting is 32. So once again I will explain this problem. They have given 1 by 2 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to, we can have to take this whole 1 by 2 to the denominator. So 1 by 2. This plus power becomes minus power becomes plus here. So 1 by 2, then split this, means take 5 inside the bracket. So this becomes 1 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5. Now this, since this denominator is a fraction, this 2 goes to the numerator. So 2 to the power of 5 goes to the numerator, divided by 1 to the power of 5 is equal to, then 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 1 to the power of 5 is 1. So the answer is 32. So this completes the first that is question. We had the 3 problems in the first question. We move on to the second question, that is question 2. Simplify and express the result in the power notation with positive exponent. So we'll see how to solve this problem. First one, they have given minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. So first what we do, write down like this, minus 4 to the power of 5 by minus 4 to the power of 8. This can't be cancelled since the powers are different. So now what to do, we'll bring this 4 to down, means to the numerator. 1 by, since the powers are, these things are common, so bring 4 to the numerator, minus 4, then these numbers will change now, that is 8 minus 5. Since this is plus here, this becomes minus here. So 8 minus 5 we are getting. Now next step is 1 by minus 4, then 8 minus 5 will become 3. So minus 3. So since this is minus, so it remains as it is. So finally what we can write, the answer is minus 4 to the power of cube. Once again I'll explain the problem. They have given minus 4. Simplify, express the result in the power notation with the positive exponent. So make the exponent positive. So here minus 4 is given to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. Therefore this one is, write down in this form, minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 4 to the power of 8 is equal to, since these two are common, we can write in this form. So 1 by, then 4, minus 4 is common, then take the powers, 8 minus 5. So 1 by minus, this one power is plus here, it will become minus when it comes to the denominator. Since these are common, we can write like this, minus 4. So this one is, since this is positive here, it becomes negative. Therefore 8 is there, then 5. These two are common. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 to the power of minus 4 remains as it is. Therefore 1 by, so if it is one note, I will tell you 1 by, if it was minus 4 to the square, then the answer would have been 1 by 16. So since there is cube, we have to write as it is. So this is the solution for the first problem. We move to the second one. Second one is 1 by 2 cube to the power of square. So how to simplify this? Take the power inside the bracket. So can we write 1 square, then 2 cube to the power of 2. So now bring this power to inside, it will become 1 square, then 2 cube again into 2. Then this will becomes 1 square by multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. 2 into 2 to the power of 6. So 1 square is 1. Then 2 to the power of 6 remains as it is. Since the exponent we have to make positive, we have to write. So first is 1 by 2 cube to whole power square. So bring first the power inside the bracket. That is 2, 1 square, then 2 cube in to the power of square. Then 1 square by 3 2s are 6, 2 to the power of 6. Therefore 1 square is 1, then 2 to the power of 6 is the answer. So now we move on to the third question. Third question is minus 3 to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 the whole power 4. Therefore first is minus 3 to the power of 4 into, bring the power inside the bracket, 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4 is equal to, now take minus 1 common outside, minus 1 common inside and write into 3. Then power also we have to write it as 4, then 3. So minus 1 right outside into 3 will become minus 3 only. Write the power in the both the cases into 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. Now 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of cancels. Now what we have to do, since this is positive, as I told here in the previous problems, note minus 1 square will become 1. So similarly minus 1 power 4 will also become, since all the exponents are even, then we get as 1 only. Therefore next step is 1, this also becomes plus here, into 5 power 4. Therefore this will become 5 power 4. That's the answer. So once I'll explain here. So here minus 3 to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 to the power of 4 is there. So positive 3 is there. So we have to make this also positive. To make this as positive, we have to take minus 1 as outside like this. Minus 1 into 3 is also minus 3. This is also same and this is also same. We have split and written, that's all, to make this number positive. So we have power 4 to both, we have to write the power 4. Then minus 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of cancels. Minus 1 as I have shown here, minus 1 to the power of 2 is also equal to 1. Minus 1 to the power of 4 is also equal to 1. All the this one positive exponents will give the positive results here. So we get minus 1 to the power of 4 will become 1 only. Therefore 5 to the power of 4 is remaining. Therefore multiply this and write the answer. Answer is 5 power 4. So next, third problem. We finished. Fourth one we'll solve. Fourth one is 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. So now we have to write this 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5, which is equal to 3 power minus 7 is equal to, now bring this minus 10 into, will bring this down. So by bringing this to the numerator, we'll get 3 power 5. So after this, we'll bring this we did in the first problem, same procedure, 3, then the power is same. So power, here we are bringing this to numerator, therefore power here minus 7 remains as it is, but this minus 10 will become plus 10. So plus 10 now into 3 to the power of 5 remains as it is. Now simplify this, minus 7 plus 10 will become 3 power 3 into 1 by 3 power 5. Then this how much, again we can rewrite this one as, again will bring down means 1 by, so this will become 3 power 3, 3 power 5, again bring 3 down means 1 by 3 into 5 minus 3 power c. Base is same, power changes. 5 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 square is equal to 1 by 9, or we can keep it in this form only. So take the number given as 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. So write 3 power minus 7 by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. Now we move this to the numerator. So moving this to the numerator, this minus 10 will become plus 10. So how to write? 3 is the base, common both, then write the powers, minus 7 plus 10 into 1 by, this one we have to write, since it is a negative here we have to make it positive. So bring this to the denominator. This becomes 3 power 5. This minus becomes plus. After this, simplify this, that is minus 7 plus 10. This will become 3 cube into, or minus 7 plus 10 is 3 into 1 by 3 power 5. After this, again bring this to the denominator. After bringing this to the denominator, this 3 becomes plus 3 becomes minus 3. Bases are common, therefore we have 1 by 3 5 minus 3. This is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So 1 by 3 square. So this is the answer. So we move on to the last problem here. That is 2 into 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3. This can be written as 2 power minus 3 can be written as 2 cube into, this one can be 1 by 2 cube. So 1 by 2 cube can, so 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 to 2 cube. Then minus 7 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by minus 7. This minus becomes plus. Therefore 1 by, this can be written as, since the powers are same here, this can be written as 2 into minus 7 into cube is equal to 1 by minus 14. Multiply these two. 3 into 2 is equal to minus 14 to the power of cube. So once again I will explain. The problem is 2 to the power of minus 3 into minus 7 to the power of minus 3. So this 2 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 cube. This minus 3 will become plus 3 here into this minus power, that is minus 7 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 by minus 7 to the power of 3. This minus 3 will become plus 3 when it comes to the denominator. After this is the powers are same, we can take this base as 2 into minus 7 the whole cube. Powers are common here. So multiply these two base, that is 2 into 7 minus 7 is 14 to cube as it is. So this is the result. So this completes the two questions in the exercise 12.1. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.